MTC corporate staff recently gathered to make a difference in their community.
Our whole office is helping today to pack food packs for all the school children that live right around our office that might not have enough to eat on weekends.
MTC teamed up with the Bountiful Food Pantry to put together food packets for individuals and families in Davis County, Utah.
So these are weekend to-go packs to make sure those kids come back to school Monday morning ready to learn again.
1 in 10 children in Utah have limited to no access to food at home. And in Davis County alone, 16,000 students depend on free or reduced lunch. The service project took place right after MTC's monthly in-service training.
It was all business and formal a minute ago, and now it's all fun and helping our community. That's how quickly we can move on a dime when it comes to those kind of initiatives.
Each pantry pack consists of 2 meals, snacks, and a drink mix. They were designed to be easy enough for children of any age to prepare. Corporate employees were grateful to participate in the service project and join their co-workers at Job Corps centers, correctional and detention facilities, and other locations around the world who are making a social impact in the lives of others.
MTC is always trying to help the community in different ways, from cleaning the park to helping feed people to so many different projects going on with MTC in the community.